I'm just adding some super glue to the nail, and then I'm going to stick the picture that I cut out on the nail. Now, one thing I can say is it gets very messy, but it's so worth it. Look at how cute. Now I'm going in with Notpolish dark pink. Honestly, I should have used a different pink because I wanted a more ombre effect. But regardless how I did the nails and how I covered up the top, they came out. Alright, so we are also going to encapsulate these nails with the crystal clear just to cover up everything, and we also want to level them out because we did only put the paint on the top. And make sure you are looking all around the nail because remember we did put an actual picture on top, so there may be some parts that aren't fully glued down, or just make sure you're looking around the nail, and then whatever parts are, you just fill in One thing about making press-on nails, I always find that taking them off the stands when you're done and you're ready to file is so much more easier than leaving them on. Here I'm using cuticle oil and then buffing the nail. I feel like when you use cuticle oil, it makes them very smooth. I actually do this with my clients too. So yeah, that's just a little tip. If you use cuticle oil, just make sure after you're doing this, the design I was thinking to do was like a that's what we're doing. Yeah, keep watching. Now I'm gonna go in with some zebra stripes. One thing about this design, girl, it was so hard for me to do the first time I ever attempted to do this design. It's not hard, but it's just, girl, that's all I gotta say is, girl, it was hard for me. Okay, I don't know what to say, but so I'm using my cuticle cutter to help me open up the ring on the nail piercing. These cuticle cutters are not for clients. These are the charms that I decided that I'm going to use on the set. I actually didn't go in with those big pink charms. Honestly, I've been trying to use them for so long and they just don't go with anything. So, yeah, I didn't use them. See how I said